Today, I am checking out this mini chainsaw pole saw combo. Let's see what all's in this box. Woo! All right, so you have the actual chainsaw. It's got a 6-inch bar and it is electric, so put that there. Yeah, it comes with 2 batteries. It's a 21-volt battery, a charger. They even included some safety glasses. There's a strap for whenever you're using it in pole saw mode. A couple of gloves. Of course, the instructions. An extra chain, that'll be handy. And the pole, for the pole saw part itself. Now, this thing has got quite the extension on it, and I will show it to you in a little bit. To get started, this is super simple. You just make sure your bar is nice and tight and your chain is tight. And you can tighten it using this here and adjust that. And then you add a little bit of chain oil in right here and you're ready to go. Once you do that, you just pop the battery in and look at that. That's pretty awesome. I have a couple of small trees out front that need some limbs trimmed, and I have some that I just need to get rid of. So let's go see how this thing works. We moved into this house a few months ago, and we just don't like these particular trees. They block our view out of our windows, and it's just not our style. So I'm gonna take them down, and I'm gonna use this little 6-inch chainsaw to do it. All you simply have to do is, once you've made sure the bar is tight and the chain's good to go, and that you've added some chain oil in right here, is put on your safety glasses and add the battery. Now here's one of the awesome things. That's as loud as it is. You don't have a combustion motor making all kinds of noise pollution and aggravating your neighbors and making you have to wear hearing protection. This is pretty awesome. So let's see how good it does at actually cutting. So I'm gonna start right here. That's pretty good. And we'll get this out of here pretty quick. Look at that. Let's start. All right, let's get that out of there. You can see that made quick work of this. If you have some branches up high that you need to trim, that of course you can't just reach by hand, that's what this handy thing's for. You just pop this here, like that. You take your battery and you pop it on the other end, like this. And now you have a pole saw. And this pole saw has a really nice extension on it. Let me get it extended all the way, see how far we got. All right. So you see, that's a pretty handy little pole saw to have around. It's nice, quiet, battery powered, and it can handle some pretty big chores. So if you're looking for a good pole saw, I'd definitely check this one out.